This is the Mamalila Softshell Allrounder Baby Wearing Jacket that also doubles up as a maternity coat. Now, this has been our bestseller for the last 4 years for good reason. It's simply the most popular and the most versatile baby wearing and maternity jacket on the market. So here you can see it's quite a nice length. I'm 5'7", it comes to just below my bum, so it's a really practical length. It is really, really lightweight. So lots of lightweight coats tend to not offer too much protection from the elements, but the Mamalila jackets really are fully waterproof, fully windproof, so they'll be fantastic for all seasons. Now you can see here, there's a very, very light, soft, fleecy lining here. This does come in lots of different colours as well. Now this fleecy lining is also still quite breathable, so you can wear this in spring and in autumn, and you're not going to get too hot, and nor will your baby. Now here we have the baby wearing panel. You can undo this piece here. You can see I've got a clever little hood that attaches with snaps or poppers here to keep my baby extra warm and dry, especially when it's windy and you don't have an umbrella. So you can take out the baby wearing panel here. One of the best features of this coat is that you also have a zip on the back, so you can take this panel, pop it onto the back and use it to cover you both when you're carrying your baby in a backpack style carrier. So I've got my carrier underneath here. This is an Ergo Baby Omni Breeze. Fantastic carrier. Still quite bulky, but you'll see that even under the coat it fits really, really nicely. So it also comes with your maternity panel. So this can zip in just like the baby wearing insert, and you can use that during pregnancy. So I'm just going to show you what the coat looks like without a carrier as well. Now this really is a great all-round carrier, and it's definitely an investment piece. I've had my Mamalila Softshell coat for 5 years now and it's still going strong, and I use it all the time, even when I'm not carrying any babies. So I'll just show you what it looks like without. So this is an extra small, that's roughly equivalent to the size, a UK size 8 or 10. Now in terms of sizing on these coats, it does really vary depending on how much you want to layer up underneath. So if you're 5'7" or above, if you are large busted for your frame, and or if you want to be able to wear thick jumpers under here during winter, then size up. Okay, so I'm an extra small, but I would sometimes wear a size small in winter if I was wearing thick coats underneath. Now you've got a fantastic hood here which actually stays on. Nice little peak to protect you there from the wind and the rain, nice toggles to make it tighter, and as you can see, it's a nice tailored slim fitting shape. So although it's a fairly sporty jacket, you can always wear it for smart times as well. So here it is. It's a fantastic coat. If you've got any questions about this, please get in touch.